चैनल एपीआरए नर्सिंग एजुकेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, वो भी 25 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑन इंटेगोमेंटरी सिस्टम। बट बिफोर दैट, hit like and share the video. Also press the bell icon next to subscribe the button to get the notification of latest videos. Now start the topic. First discuss question number 1. Primary function of the skin is, the options are A. Vitamin D synthesis, B. sensation, C. protection, D. temperature regulation. Answer protection. Then question number 2. Skin is a part of which system in the body? The options are A. circulatory, B. respiratory, C. endocrine, D. integumentary. Answer integumentary. Then question number 3. The largest organ in our body? The options are A. liver, B. skin, C. stomach, D. lung. Answer skin. Then question number 4. The outermost layer of the skin is known as? The options are A. cutaneous, B. subcutaneous, C. dermis, D. epidermis. Answer epidermis. Then question number 5. Skin color is given by the pigment known as? The options are A. sebum, B. keratins, C. melanin, D. keratin. Answer melanin. Then question number 6. Skin glands activated by increase in temperature is? The options are A. sebaceous glands, B. sweat glands, C. apocrine glands, D. Bartholin glands. Answer sweat glands. Then question number 7. Melanocytes secretes? The options are A. sebum, B. sweat, C. melanin, D. all of the above. Answer melanin. Then question number 8. Part of skin which contains sweat glands, nerve endings and blood capillaries is? The options are A. epidermis, B. dermis, C. subcutaneous fats, D. sebaceous glands. Answer dermis. Then question number 9. Sweating is mediated by? The options are A. norepinephrine, B. epinephrine, C. acetylcholine, D. histamine. Answer acetylcholine. Then question number 10. Which sweat gland is non-functional in children till age of 12 years? The options are A. ceruminous, B. axillary, C. apocrine, D. all of the above. Answer apocrine. Then question number 11. Insensible water loss per day is? The options are A. 100 ml, B. 300 ml, C. 700 ml, D. 200 ml. Answer 700 ml. Then question number 12. Which one of the following is responsible for regeneration of epidermal cells? The options are A. Keratinocytes, B. Merkel's cell, C. Langerhans cells, D. Melanocytes. Answer keratinocytes. Then question number 13. Healthy hair receives a good blood supply from the options are A. Hair follicle, B. Hair shaft, C. Hair papilla, D. Hair ball. Answer hair papilla. Then question number 14. Which vitamin is synthesized when skin exposed to the ultraviolet rays of the sun? The options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Answer vitamin D. Then question number 15. Viral culture media should be transported on. The options are A. Ice, B. Room temperature, C. Hot air oven, D. Incubator. Answer ice. Then question number 16. Which of these layers has shedding of cells occurring continuously due to wear and tear? The options are A. Stratum corneum, B. Stratum lucidum, C. Stratum granulosum, D. Stratum spinosum. Answer stratum corneum. Then question number 17. Inflammation of tissues surrounding the nail is known as. The options are A. Clubbing, B. Colonychia, C. Paronychia, D. Onycholysis. Answer Paronychia. Then question number 18. The procedure for collecting sample of skin for biological examination is called. The options are A. Surgical shave, B. Biopsy, C. Aspiration, D. Injection. Answer biopsy. Then question number 19. Thickest skin in human being is formed on. The options are A. Lips, B. Swallow, C. Neck, D. Eyelid. Answer swallow. Then question number 20. A protective protein which is main structural component of hair, nail and epithelial cells is. The options are A. Keratin, B. Myosin, C. Collagen, D. Elastin. Answer keratin. Then question number 21. Keratin, the simple protein, is present in. The options are A. Nose, B. Ligament, C. Eyes, D. Nails. Answer nails. Then question number 22. Which of the following help prevent water loss through skin? The options are A. melanin, B. Carotene, C. Keratin, D. Collagen. Answer keratin. Then question number 23. Dermatom is a part of, the options are A. Bone, B. Joints, C. Muscle, D. Skin. Answer skin. Then question number 24. Which is the deepest of all epidermal layers and it is attached to the dermis in an uneven, almost wave-like fashion? The options are A. Stratum spinosum, B. Stratum basale, C. Stratum lucidum, D. Stratum granulosum. Answer stratum basale. Then this is the last question. Question number 25. The layers of epidermis from outer side to inner side is, the options are A. Corneum, granulosum, germinative, lucidum, B. Corneum, lucidum, germinative, granulosum, C. Corneum, lucidum, granulosum, germinative, D. Lucidum, corneum, granulosum, germinative. Answer corneum, lucidum, granulosum, germinative. So this was MCQ on integumentary system or skin. I suggest you please watch the video first to last. I think this question very helpful for a nursing entrance exam. I hope you understood this video. Any doubt, please comment me on comment box. Then I will clear all doubt. आप चाहे तो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा. If you understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.